Hello, welcome to Totally Random Mocks and Picks. Okay, so most of you could probably figure out what's going to go on here, or attempt to. Previous attempt, you can see that plate. Got all sorts of interference by reflections. But you can see that's a plate, not a bunch of plugs. And then there's a plug there for the pull. I did heat it up, chuck it in there, but now it's just broken. The key doesn't seem to want to work, but once the locking pulls out, yeah, it was working before, and I'll just get on with it. So I was going to sacrifice this Abus, but I thought, I'll go look for some other locks. So here's two Sturdees, number 2, number 4. They were all key to lock at one point. And this one I've had a crack at. You probably can't see it very well, but see if I can get that focus. I sanded this top edge. I was looking for the pins. So I'm going to see if I can kill this one. So pop that there. Crank the burner on. Now, disclaimers obviously. Eye protection. So that's on. I may not do a lot of talking, and if you hear muffled stuff, don't mention it in the comments, because I've put the mask on and forgot. So as soon as that has a nice colour to it, and I'm going to put this mask on now, so I'm not in a well ventilated area nonetheless. It's not like there's a decent breeze blowing by. So yeah, I'll just pull the mask down and talk like that. I'm going to let this get as hot as possible, because last time what I did is I took it out and I tried to prove the key worked while it was still hot, and I don't know what happened, but the lock just didn't work after that. So this one, I'm just going to let it sit there. I'll turn it a couple of times like a steak on a fire, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's the side with the pins facing down. You might notice there's a decent bit of heat getting through there, so maybe we'll throw the pins, maybe we won't. Oh, that's sad. Well, that certainly proves a point anyway. Through 2 chambers. So, I'll do another little video on what just came out of this, but obviously they didn't unlock it. But we got somewhere. Or maybe, you know, oh, sorry guys, I'm out of shot. There's the 2 plugs are just through. So yeah, using a plumber's torch, I think this is a completely viable method for opening a lock. I don't know what circumstance you'd do this under, but I've been playing with the lock for about 6 hours and it's been giving me this shit, so I thought, fuck it, I'm going to destroy one. Ironically, it still probably work to an extent. It'll be easy picking. Stock locks on there. Yet to participate in that. I'm just impressed that kind of worked. Didn't bust the whole thing open, but you could see there, you know, the application of heat was fairly shithouse. So, yeah, proves the point. I'm going to do this again. I think this is fun. So, yeah, I'm not claiming that I invented this. I saw this, someone on Twitter posted this technique several weeks ago. I thought I'd give it a fucking try. But yeah, it shot 2 springs out. So there's, what can we count? 1 spring, 2 springs, what looks like a plug. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, why 6 pins came out of 2 holes? That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Makes perfect sense. 2 springs. There you go. So, didn't open it. But I might have another crack at the other 2 or 3 pins. You never know. But basically, yeah, a plumber's torch would just nuke that in seconds. So, yeah, proof of concept. I think that sort of proved it to a point. That's not an open, but nonetheless. Totally random. Thanks for watching. Cheers, and thanks for the original poster of this trick because I love it. It's cool. Thanks for watching. Keep it legal. Happy picking.